A decorative sequin wall with architectural sequins and command decorating clips. We set our clips 1 3/4 inches apart and used 1.5 inch round architectural sequins with an oval hole. Follow the directions on the clip package to apply the bonding strips to the appropriate wall surface. When you apply the clips, make sure they are the right way round, with the hook facing upwards. Hang the sequins onto the clips. Wearing gloves will avoid getting fingerprints on the sequins. Our sample is 9 sequins, but these can be used to cover as large an area as you have. We used command clear decorating clips and 1.5 inch round architectural sequins with an oval hole from Sequins USA.